Learners don't always have the time to take courses in the comfort of their homes. Commutes and busy public environments can make it difficult to listen to course audio. For people with hearing disabilities, accessing the content can be an even greater challenge. Now your learners will no longer have difficulty accessing audio and video-based materials thanks to the new subtitles feature in iSpring Suite. To generate automatic subtitles for your audio or video narration, start by clicking on Manage Narration in the toolbar. Click on the audio or video track to activate the Closed Captions button. Click on Closed Captions and select Generate Automatically. Select the language of the subtitles and click on Generate. You can edit the captions by changing the text or adjusting the timing. Next, save the changes. If you want to add subtitles manually, slide the marker to the point on the timeline where you want the subtitles to begin. Then, click on Insert Caption box in the toolbar. Now, simply type in your text in the input field. You can also import a file with subtitles to the course. Click on Close Captions and choose Import File. Select a VTT file and click on Open. Done. You've added captions. To enable subtitles for learners, go to Player. Then create your own layout in the Design tab. Expand the bottom bar menu and check the Close Captions box. Now your learners can turn closed captions on and off during playback by clicking on CC on the bottom bar. Great! You've enabled subtitles in your course and made it even more accessible and engaging for your learners. Turn your e-learning challenges into success stories. iSpring Suite just got updated.